CJ style. Pair. Includes arm, head, and hardware. Limited 5-year warranty. CJ style mirrors are available in painted black steel, polished chrome or polished stainless steel. All replacement mirrors are replicas of the factory original, so you maintain that original equipment look while upgrading or replacing those worn mirrors. Replacement components also are available. Top reviews from the United States. Very happy with purchase. We have been looking for mirrors that not only fit the pre-drilled holes needed for our 1974 CJ5, but also budget. These mirrors fit both criteria well and we're extremely happy with the end product. Mounting was easy, and the pre-drilled holes fit our frame perfectly. Would recommend this product to our other Jeep enthusiasts. The mirrors come in different finishes which would meet anyone's need for color match. Happy with product.